What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well today. As for myself, I am doing pretty good. Just sitting down at the desk. Want to make a quick video before I get out of here and go to one of my many little side hustles. Today I got to work at the airport, got to go throw bags. So want to get this quick recap out of the way. Not gonna really show any trades today, but what I want to discuss was my thoughts on the day. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. I just want to kind of show my thoughts on the day. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna bring up the charts. I'm gonna take my mug off the screen and just gonna discuss my thoughts today. And first and foremost, I'm gonna tell y'all, by doing the right thing, I just missed a banger trade. By literally doing the right thing for my trade account, I missed a banger trade. And it's right here, y'all. I'm gonna highlight it. This area right here, this break of the first line of defense, the flip of the chart back green, this pullback and retest, and off to the races. I didn't take that trade. This was a banger trade. And the reason that I didn't take this trade is because I have already hit my daily goal. I'm literally up 6R on the day, meaning 6 times whatever I was risking per trade, I'm up. So I had no reason to take that trade when I'm already up 6R. I'm also up 20% on this account size. So why mess up what's a good day? Even though this was a good trade, it could have did some funky stuff and rolled over. News could have came out and took it out, but I did what I was supposed to do and I didn't touch it. I literally had NinjaTrader open on my laptop as I was shutting it, and that's what I saw it on. And I was like, "Ooh, this is setting up nice." Exited out. Didn't take the trade because I have fallen into the habit of trading for profit and not trading the process. That particular trade right there would have been a trust the process trade. But like I said, my goal is usually 4R. That's where I kind of want to make a day with my risk management. My losses, which me and Spark talk all the time, we don't really have a daily loss limit. Our daily loss limits are kabooms. Literally, we will kaboom an account. We will sacrifice trying to get back green on the day and blow an account up. I'm done with that. So my daily loss limit for this account is 3R. If I lose 3R in the day, I'm done. On a winning day, I want to make at least 4R, preferably 6R. Reason being, I could take two days of losing and I'll be flat. I will be flat. If I make 4R, I could lose one day and I'm still up in R. So that like sense of just blowing up, I want to lose that thought process. And today was a very good day to actually trust the process and see how that was going to work. Like I said, up 6R, not a bad day. Today is a very unusual day. I want to pull the charts up just so we can kind of look at it real quick. This is Sunday. This was going into Sunday, 6 o'clock. Look at that big candle. Crazy. Come over here, 3 o'clock. This is when Trump put out some news, or the White House put out some news. That's a 317 point candle in 15 minutes. That's crazy. Today was an exponentially moving day. You could make some serious money. I put on my risk that I was willing to risk per trade. I took stops. Once I got over a certain limit, I de-risk and I started risking like half of an R to see what I would make. And once I got up to 6R, I shut it down, y'all. I'm literally like 15 bucks over that 6R limit and we're done. And again, I took some losing trades looking at the chart. I traded at 78.2% winning, 21.8 losing. That's trading the process and not trading P&L. I would pray to God that had I hit my daily loss limit, I would have took it. Didn't have to worry about that. But the focus this week is trust the process, y'all. Process over profits. On that note, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to wrap this video up. Like I said, I was trying to keep it short, sweet, and simple. I actually got to go pick up some shirts before I go clock in. So kind of pressing it right now. But as always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. Peace.